hogy öröktől hallottam, rég volt már. Az ember úgy szép, hogyha párban jár. Nekem is volt, kit szerettem, kezét mégis elengedtem. Most már hiába keresem, mert eső van, szél, a hideg ráz, de szívemben nagyobb a gáz. Kalapomon hármat szép virág mond. Hol a babám, gondol-e még rám? Szárnyaszeget elveszett madár, reméli még, hogy visszatalál. Száll éneket társa nélkül, örömből bánat lesz végül, végül megint egyedül. Kell folytatnom az én utam, így nehéz lesz, azt nem tudtam. Elmúlik el majd, mint a nyár, örökké így lesz talán. Hol a babám, gondol-e még rám? Közelöttem, füst mögöttem, nélküle csavargó lettem, jaj. Nélküle csavargó lettem, mindenemet elvesztettem, jaj. Nagy a baj, haj, jaj, jaj, raj. Most előre nézek, de múltban járok. Egyedül félek, más ágyában fázom. Lehet, hogy ő is így el van veszve, vagy jött már más, azt megszerette. Ha meg is találnám, de hiába már. Legalább azt megláthatná, hogy a babám gondol-e még rám. Köd előttem, füst mögöttem, nélküle csavargó lettem, jaj. Nagy a baj, nélküle csavargó lettem, mindenemet elvesztettem, jaj. Nagy a baj, haj, lalalaj. Nem tudom, hogy mi a jó én nekem. Hányszor kezdjem újra még el ezt az életem? Nem tudom, hogy mi a jó én nekem. Hányszor kezdjem újra még el ezt az életem? Köd előttem, füst mögöttem, nélküle csavargó lettem, jaj. Nélküle csavargó lettem, mindenemet elvesztettem, jaj. Köd előttem, füst mögöttem, nélküle csavargó lettem, jaj. Nélküle csavargó lettem, mindenemet elvesztettem, jaj. Nagy a baj, hányszor kezdjem újra még el ezt az életem?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is FPV Betyár, and I want to introduce you the GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is recording my face right now. I pre-ordered this camera on the 1st of October and got shipped on the 9th of October to me. Arrived on the 10th, so next day, from the Netherlands. Let me give you a bit backstory of mine. So my first ever GoPro was the Hero 3 Black, I suppose. Before that I had an SJ400, a 4000. That was a decent camera for me. I loved it. Then I stepped up to a GoPro Hero 3 Black, and I was blown away with the image quality, with the colors, with the resolution, with everything. It was beautiful. And after that I bought the Session 4, I suppose, yes, and I sold that. So all of these cameras I'm mentioning here, I bought them second hand, and I had, I think, I had 3 session 5s. I had the Hero 6 Black. I bought it broken. I wanted to put it onto a small 3-inch or something, but sessions, and sometimes I saw some footage from Hero 7 Blacks, and I was blown away with the details, with the colors, with the resolution. It was a huge step up to my session 5. So I decided I would like to make much better videos, and maybe film something on purpose and just sell it. I mean, just to film, let's say, weddings or some sport activities. So I thought I should step up to the Hero 7. Then I heard some rumors that the Hero 8 is gonna come out. So I sold 2 of my sessions and pre-ordered the Hero 8 Black on the date of the release. So it was shipped 10 days after that. So when I pre-ordered it said that it's gonna be shipped on the 15th of October, but this one got shipped on the 9th, and the day after that. So it was delivered on Friday, and Friday afternoon we came with my girlfriend to his parents on the countryside of Hungary. So I live in Hungary, in Budapest. So we went to the countryside, and next day on Saturday we went out to some abandoned buildings. So I thought I'm gonna release this week Hero 8 Bando session, which as far as I know, this would be the first Bando flying of the Hero 8, right, like the real released version of it. So I think some people got it before the release to make some promotional videos for the advertisement. Yeah, so I'm the first customer who got the Hero 8 and brought it to a Bando to fly FPV with it. So the device itself, the door on the battery door is quite annoying. It's very hard to open and it's very hard to close. It's not the best solution, but it was done on purpose to move the door from the bottom to the side, to be able to have those small latches which can be used to mount on let's say a bike or a helmet, so you don't need the case for it. The device itself is 10 grams heavier than the Hero 7 Black. Yeah, it doesn't have a replaceable lens, which is quite a downside from the Hero 7 Black, because now you cannot just change an ND filter and put a new ND filter on. I'm just thinking about how to solve this issue, how to put an ND filter onto this new GoPro. I don't know it just yet, but yeah, the overall experience of the device, it's very nice. It's the build quality is very good. The materials used are quite decent. So I don't know if I told you already, but this is my first newly bought GoPro, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. But I don't know if it's worth it, because I bought it for 430 euros. I don't know how much that is in US dollars, but in Europe, this is the retail price of this GoPro, and you can buy some second-hand GoPros for about 300 euros. Hero 7 Blacks, sorry, or for Hero 6 Black even cheaper. And I don't really see a big step up in the image quality itself. The big selling point for me was the Hypersmooth 2.0 and the TimeWrap 2.0. We tested the TimeWrap function. It's really good. It makes so good driving footages, or just, if you just walk around and make a TimeWrap video, it looks very good, because if you move fast, it takes less photos, and if you move a bit slower or just stop, it makes a lot of photos and also video. Yeah, so I'm quite blown away with those two features. Other than that, it's just a Hero 7 Black Plus, so it's nothing too fancy here. Battery life is quite decent. I suppose it's the same like the Hero 7 Black, but Hero 7 Black's battery life. So yeah, I really love this camera, and we just watched the raw footage from today and from yesterday, and yeah, the stabilization is the electrical image stabilization is quite good. It's I don't know if it's better than the real Steady Go or is it a bit worse, but I think it's on par with it, and I don't have to mess around in an application after I capture the footage. I just can drag and drop this into Premiere Pro and just work with it. I don't have to mess around. Yeah, so if you're planning to buy a new GoPro and you consider between the 7 Black or this, I would just spend that 70 euros plus on this one. But if you plan to buy yourself a used GoPro, I would go with the Hero 6 Black and buy yourself the real Steady Go, or if you can find a cheap 7 Black, buy that. It's not worth that much money to spend on a new camera like this, because you're gonna smash it into a wall, like all of your gear. That's what we do all the time. Yeah, so and another thing about Hypersmooth, when you fly just straight and you fly above things or just fly cinematic, it's decent, it's very nice, it looks very stable, it's very good. But if you do some flicks and rolls, it gets weird, it gets unwatchable. Like, you need to turn off the Hypersmooth if you are planning to do a roll, a flip or something, because it looks disgusting. That's what I wanted to tell you about the new GoPro Hero 8 Black. I love it, and the image quality and the footage you're gonna get out of it, it's mind-blowing, but I don't really know if it's worth the money. Thank you and have a nice day.